Hello everyone, this is Vijay Kumar, Math faculty. Heartily welcome to my channel, Vedic Brilliant Math Educator. Today we are going to discuss real numbers, class 10, exercise 1.3, problem number 4. In the previous video we have seen the given rational numbers are terminating, non-terminating, repeating decimals using theorem 1.4. In this session we are going to discuss the given decimals are terminating or non-terminating, repeating decimals, and we can find prime factors of Q also. Click this I button to learn introduction to real numbers and learn from beginning of exercise number 1. Exercise 1.3, problem number 4. Express the following decimals in the form of P by Q and write the prime factors of Q. What do you observe? So first one it is 43.123, second one 0.12012001, third one 43.12 bar upon 12 only it is bar, fourth one 0.63 bar, 63 upon bar. So for these decimals we need to find, we can write in the form of P by Q form, we can write the denominators one, we need to take the prime factors. After that the decimals are terminating or non-terminating, repeating decimals. Which one it is we can find. Let us start our solution. First question, that is 43.123. So this decimal ones one we need to write in the form of P by Q. Then next we can write the prime factors of Q. After that we can what we are getting the prime factors, from there to what we are observing, that one we need to write. So 43.123. So 43.123 means it is terminating or non-terminating. So we are getting remainder is 0 only, it is stop, otherwise it is going on, means it is terminating decimal expansion. So first we can write P by Q form 43.123 equal, so total I am writing that number without point, 43.123 by, in denominator 1. So point afterwards how many digits are there? 3 digits, means we need to take 3 zeros in the denominator. So for example, if we are getting point afterwards 1 digit means we are taking 10, 2 digits means 100, like that we need to take. How many after the point, how many digits, that many zeros we need to take. Now this one we can write in the power notation 43,123 by 10 whole cube. 10 cube means 10 into 10 into 10, 3 times of 10. 10 times are 100. 100 tens are 1000. 1000 we written. Now this tens, you can write the prime factors. Prime factors how we have to get? 2 5s are 10. So we can write 2 into 5 we can write it. So that equal 43.123 by 2 into 5 whole power 3. That equal 43.123 by 2 cube into 5 cube. So here we written P by Q form. Here we got, after that prime factors of Q also asked, therefore Q means here denominator. The prime factors of equal 2 cube into 5 cube. Otherwise we can write the prime factors of Q also we can write. So the prime factors equal 2 cube into 5 cube. It is of the form, which form it is? 2 power n into 5 power n. It is of the form 2 power n into 5 power n. So given factors also, we got the factors also, 2 cube into 5 cube means it is in the form of 2 power n into 5 power n. So the given decimal is terminating or non terminating? It is terminating decimal. So therefore it is terminating decimal. So for example, we didn't got 2 cube into 5 cube. One more prime number we got it. So that time it is non-terminating and repeating decimals. We are getting, it is not of the form means we are getting non-terminating and repeating decimal only. So first one it is completed. Now second one. So what is second? Just we have to observe here 0.12012001. One example I want to share with you. Example, this is example only. 0.12012001, so on it is. Just observe these two problems. 0.12012001, it is stopped. 0.12012001, it is going on, means it is repeating. 120, 120, then next also we are getting 120, 120 only. Yes? So here, how we can do this one, and this example also how we have to do, that one we will explain now. So now, decimal form I am writing 0.12012001 equal. So here before the point 0, 0 means no need to write. But any digit, any integer means we can compulsory we need to write. Here 0 only, 0 means for example 02, how we have to write? Only 2 only we can write now. 09, 09 means how we are writing? 09 you are saying, just you are saying 9 only. So like that 120,120,1 by denominator in 1 first you have to take. After the point, here it is point. After the point, how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Means 7 zeros we need to take. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That equal. Here we written the P by Q form. Now 120,120,1 by. So this one we can write 10 power 7 we can write. 10 power 7. How many zeros are there? That many exponential form we can write it. This one we can write it 120,120,1 by 10. Prime factors of 10 is 2 into 5 whole power 7. That equal 120,120,1 by. You can write here 2 power 7 into 5 power 7. 2 power 7 into 5 power 7. So what is the prime factors of Q? 2 power 7 into 5 power 7. The prime factors of Q equal 2 power 7 into 5 power 7. So 2 power 7 into 5 power 7 means it is of the form equal 2 power n into 5 power n. So it is of the form 2 power m into 5 power n means the given decimal expansion is terminating or non-terminating. So it is terminating decimal. It is terminating decimal. Now that example I will explain. So here 0.120120,1 so on it is given. So on it is given means here we need period and periodicity we need. What is period? Period and periodicity. What is period? The set of digits. The set of digits which are repeating. The set of digits which are repeating in the non-terminating repeating decimals is called period. So what is period? Period means, so here what is period? Which one is repeating? Which one is repeating? 120, 120 is repeating now. So that is period equal to 120, 120. So what is period? Once again repeating. The set of digits which repeats in non-terminating recurring decimals is called period. The set of digits which repeats in non-terminating repeating decimals is called period. So period equal to, in this case we got 120. Now, what is periodicity? The number of digits. Number of digits. So, number of digits in a period, number of digits in a period of non-terminating repeating decimals is called periodicity. Now, how many digits are repeating? That number we need to write. So, here how many numbers are repeating? 3 numbers. So, periodicity is 3, period is 120. Okay, it is clear. Now, see here, given one you can take x equal 0.120. This is let you have to take. Let x equal 0.120, 120, 1, so on it is going on. Now, here period equal 120. Periodicity equal 3. Periodicity is 3 means multiply. This is equation number 1 you can take. Multiply equation 1 with 10 power 3 on both sides. Both sides we need to multiply. What is the periodicity? That power 10's power we need to take. Powers of 10 we need to take. So that equal x into 10 whole cube, 10 cube equal 10 power 3 into 0.120, 120, 1 so on. Okay. So 10 power 3. 10 power 3 means it is 1000. 1000 into x, 1000x. That equals, here 10 power 3 means 1000 into 0.120, 120, 1 so on. So 1000x equal, here 3 zeros are there. So this point we need to keep, 3 digits afterwards we need to keep. So 120, here we are getting point 120, 120, again so on it is going on. This is here 1000x, sorry, here 1000x. This is equation number 2. Once you have to observe here, so what we are getting here, so here x equal 0.120. After the point once you have to check it. After the point 120, 120 only there. Here also one after the point 120, 120, 120 only. Like that only it is. So subtract equation 1 from 2. So I am taking here. So 1000x equal 120.120, 120, so on it is. So first equation is x equal 0.120, 120, so on. Now subtract. We can change the sign. So after the point, once you have to see, after the point, this both same. 120, 120. Here also 120, 120. We can cancel that one. So 120 minus, now here symbol is minus. 120 minus 0 is 120. Here 1000x minus 1x, that equal 999x. So x equal 120. By this 999 you can transpose, we are getting 999. So now we can cancel 3 table I am taking, 3 4s are 0, 3 3s are 3 3s are 3 3s are. So x equal 40 by 333. So this one, it is in the form of p by q. It is in the form of p by q. The prime factors of q equal, the prime factors of q equal 333. So 3 1 the 3 triple 1 means 3 into 111. So 3 into 111 means it is in the form of, or it is not in the form of? It is not in the form of, not of the form 2 power n into 5 power n. It is not of the form 2 power n into 5 power n. So therefore the given number is decimal expansion is non-terminating. So it is non-terminating repeating decimal. Repeating decimal. So here if you are taking up to our question is 0.120120, it is stopped, means we are getting, it is terminating decimal only we got it here. But here 0.120120, so on means it is non-terminating repeating decimal only. No? So that decimal expansion, we got the denominator equal, P by Q form equal 40 by 333 and the prime factors equal 3 into 111. It is non-terminating and repeating decimal. So difference between this our regular question and example one. Okay, it is clear maybe. Dear students, if you are watching first time of my video, subscribe the channel and share to your friends. Hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Now third one we will discuss. Third one it is 43.12 bar, only 12 upon only bar. So 12 upon bar, what is the meaning of bar? So this decimals are repeating. So means let x equal 43.12 bar, I took the x. So x equal 43.12, so on it is. This is equation number 1. This is equation number 1. So what is period here? Period equal to 12. Periodicity. How many digits are repeating? 2 digits are repeating. What that one? 1 2 1 2 1 2 means periodicity is 2. So multiply equation 1 with 10 square on both sides. BS means both sides. So you can multiply with 10 square. So 10 square into x equal 10 square into 43.12, so on. So 10 square means 100. 100 into x, 100x. Here 100 into 43.12, so on. So 100 into x, 100x already we written, that equal. Now here you can multiply. 100 into 43.12. So here 100 to we are multiplying. 100 to we are multiplying means we can take the point 2 digits after, we need to keep the point. Here point it is there. So 2 digits after. 2 digits after means we are getting here. Means 4,312 means we are getting here 0.12, so on. This is equation number 2 you can take. Now subtract equation 1 from 2. So from second equation to first equation we need to subtract. What is the second equation? 100x equal 4,312.12, so on. So first equation is x equal 43.12, so on. Minus, subtracting means we can take the minus. So here some clarification I want to give you. 43, this one I am writing, just write RHS only I am taking. So here point it is. So while writing second equation, you don't start from here. So where is the point? Point after the decimal point, before integral part. Integral part and decimal part must be variation. So here point means here you can take the point. So after the decimals we can write it like this. Before that integral part is 43, like this we need to write. So if you are writing 43, 1, 2, 3 means here how we have to subtract, it is false. It is not the correct way. Now you can see once after the point, after the decimal 1 2 1 2, here also same as it is. This is we can cancel. Now you can subtract 2 minus 9, it is not possible. 10, 12. 12 minus 3, 9. 12 minus 3 is 9. Here now 10. 10 minus 4, 6. Here now 2, 4. Here 100x minus x, that is 99x. So this 99 you can transpose, x equal 4269 by 99. Now we need to cancel. 3 double 2 we can cancel or not, once you have to check it. 3 3s are 3 3s are. Here also you can cancel. 3 1 are 3, 1 remain. 3 4 are 12, 3 2s are 3 3s are. Again we can cancel. Nothing. So here we got the P by Q form, we got it. P x equal 1423 by 33. Means it is the P by Q form. It is the P by Q form. So the prime factors of Q equal, this Q means 33. 33 one you have to take the prime factors 3 into 11. Means we are getting 3 into 11 only we can get. So here we got the prime factors 3 into 11 only we got it. 3 into 11 means it is the form of 2 power n into 5 power m? No. So write it here. It is not of the form 2 power n into 5 power m. So it is not of the form 2 power n into 5 power m, means the given decimal is non-terminating and repeating decimal. So it is, therefore it is non-terminating repeating decimal. Non-terminating and repeating decimals. So it is very clear. Now it's third one also completed. Last fourth one. Fourth one also same as this way we have to do. So how we can do that one, once you have to observe. Fourth one, 0.63 bar, 63 upon bar. Now given one, what we need to take? First let x equal 0.63 bar. 63 bar means it is the decimals repeating, means x equal 0.63, 63, 63, so on. Now here what is the period? Period equal how many that digits, repeating digits we can write. Number of digits, not repeating digits. So repeating digits are 6 and 3. Now periodicity equal to. So periodicity is 2 means the number of digits. Number of digits means periodicity. Number of how many numbers repeating, that 63 repeating, that is called period. So here periodicity is 2 means multiply equation 1 with 10 square on both sides. BS means both sides. So this one you can multiply 10 square into x equal 10 square into 0.63, 63, 63, so on. 10 square means it is 100. 100 into x, 100x equal, here also 10 square means 100. So 100 into 0.63, 63, 63, so on. So 100x as it is equal 100 into 0.63, 63, 63, so on means here point, here 0 point. So here to 100 to we are multiplying. 100 to we are multiplying means 2 digits forward we need to take. 10 to means 1 digit. 100 means 2 digits. How many zeros we are getting? So that many digits forward we need to take. Means here 63.6363 63, so on we are getting. This is equation number 2. Now we can write subtract equation 1 from equation 2. So second equation to first equation we need to subtract. So first second equation is 100x equal 63.636363 so on. X equal first equation. What is first equation? X equal 0.636363 so on. Now minus, subtracting means we can change the sign. After the decimal, so 63, 63, 63 all same, all are equal means we can cancel that one. So 63 minus 0, that is 63. Here 100x minus x. 100x to 1x subtracting means how many we are getting? 99x. This 99 you can transpose. X equal 63 by 99. Now 3 table time cancelling. 3 3s are 3 3s are. Otherwise 9 table I have to cancel. 9 on the 9, 9 on the 9. 9 table it is going directly. 3 table also we can do, but 9 table it is directly only. That's why I am taking directly. 9 8 9 7 are 63. 9 7 are 63. 9 11 are 99. So x equal 7 by 11. So 7 by 11 means it is in the form of p by q. It is in the form of p by q. Now we need to write the prime factors of q. The prime factors of q equal only 11. 11 means it is the prime number only. We are not getting other prime factors. Only 11 only we are getting. So it is in the form of 2 power n into 5 power n? No. So it is not of the form 2 power n into 5 power n. It is not of the form 2 power n into 5 power n means it is terminating or non-terminating. It is non-terminating and repeating decimal. Therefore, it is non-terminating repeating decimal. It is non-terminating and repeating decimal. This non-terminating repeating decimals one, I want to say shortcut method. That is first, third one it is 43.12. So 43.12 without decimal you can write it. 43.12. So before the decimal, what is the digit? That one you have to take. 43. Subtract now. So we are subtracting means here 12. 12 minus 3 is 9. Here now 0. 0 means it is we are borrowing 10. Borrowing means we are getting 10. 10 minus 4 is 6. Here number 2, 4. So here this is period is 12. Periodicity is 2. 2 means so that periodicity is 2 means we need to divide with 99. Periodicity is 3 means we need to take 999 like that. So 42 69 by 99. Now we have to cancel 3 table time cancelling. 3 3s are 3 3s are 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 3 2s are 3 3s are. Here 3 2s are 3 3s are. That equal 1423 by 33. This is the decimal form. Only decimal form only I explained. Here prime factors how we have to write it 3 into 11. So it is not of the form 2 power n into 5 power n. So it is non-terminating repeating decimal we can write. Here also first total digit we can write 063. 063 means it is 63 only. 63 before the decimal is 0. 0 we have to subtract. So subtracting means we are getting 63. So 63 here periodicity is 2. Periodicity is 2 means we need to take 99. Periodicity is 3 means we need to take 999 like that. So 9 table 2, 9 ones are 9 ones are 9 sevens are. That equal 7 by 11. This is the shortcut method. So here prime factors of q is only 11. It is not of the form 2 power n into 5 power n. So it is non-terminating and repeating decimal. So here we use this shortcut for non-terminating repeating decimals only. Do comment if you have any clarification on this topic. We have seen how to solve the decimals in the form of P by Q and how to write the prime factors. In the next video, we will show that root 2 is irrational. So it is very interesting and very important. It is board exam also. It is very important topic. So don't miss. Please encourage me by subscribing my channel Vedic Brilliant Math Educator. Like and comment on this topic. Dear students, do you like this video? Please share to your friends. This is Vijay Kumar signing out. Thank you very much.